Hi, today I'm going to talk about something very interesting. Suppose you were not even in the stock market, you would still intuitively understand what a buy or sell rating means. But what is this hold rating? Why would you want to hold a stock that you would not want to buy today? And the reason the hold rating exists is for only one reason, because we as human beings suffer from something called endowment bias, which means that we value things that we have or we own more than is rational. So, in an experiment, let us say half the students were given coffee mugs and half were not, and later on they were asked to value that coffee mug. The students who had it valued it at, let's say, $10, but the students who didn't have it valued it at $5. So this is our tendency, because once we hold a stock, we are invested in it mentally, and we somehow think that it is worth than what rationally is the worth of that stock. We might even think that we are holding on because we don't want to incur transaction costs, etc. But now transaction costs are very low, and more than that, you are missing out on holding something which could have given you a far higher return. And this is not true just of stock markets. Even in, for example, real estate, you might hold on to an apartment saying, I'll sell it only if I get 2 crores, even if that is not really the market price. And you might even hold it for 2, 4, 5 years and then finally sell it for 2 crores. But you don't go back and say that if I had sold it 5 years ago and put that money even in a fixed deposit, maybe I'd be better off. It is the same thing with stocks. You end up holding on to stocks because maybe you got attached to them, or maybe you think that I made this ton of money in HDFC Bank or Apple, so let me hold on to them. But the only rational way to do investing is to periodically look at your portfolio, forget what it holds, say if today I had cash, where would I be invested? Will it be the same as where I am invested, or is it something different? So that's the only way to get at least a little bit past this cognitive bias. So now you know why the hold rating exists. It is just to cater to your quirk in thinking, you can say, or a bias. It is not rational.